Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Brain tumor is growth of cells abnormally in the brain. Brain tumors have different types which included cancerous called malignant tumors and the other is non-cancerous called benign or primary tumors, and these start in brain. While the malignant cancer spread from the body into our brain called secondary brain tumor. Some tumors spread slowly over time while some spread quickly. Location and its growth determine how it will affect our nervous system. Let's see the symptoms of brain tumor, though these depend on size, location and growth rate of tumor, but the most common symptoms include Number 1. Frequent headaches which may be worsened with activity or early in the morning. Number 2. Seizures. Number 3. Change in senses, especially vision, hearing and smell. Number 4 is memory problems. Number 5 is personality changes. Number 6 is drowsiness. Number 7 is fatigue. Number 8 is difficulty sleeping. Number 9 is weakness in body. Number 10 is unable to perform daily activities. Number 11 is nausea and vomiting. Number 12 is difficulty in decision making. Number 13 is partial or total loss of consciousness. Number 14 is headaches near tumor. Tumors disturb the functioning of brain and it adversely affect on our personality and behavior and even can cause mood shifts in person, such as feeling irritated. At one time you are happy and relaxed, but the other time you start an argument for no apparent reason. Brain tumor also cause problem in memory. Location of tumor in our brain can impact on the functioning of that part of the brain. Like tumor in frontal and parietal lobe can impair a person's decision making and reasoning. So the person will feel difficulty in concentrating, confused even about simple tasks, having trouble in planning activities. Short-term memory is also impaired and even problems in speech has been associated with this disorder. Person can also feel the symptoms of depression. Even in some patients, suicidal tendencies also have been noted. Now, if we talk about the causes, the exact causes of brain tumor is unknown. However, there are some risk factors included. Number 1. Men are more prone to develop brain tumors. Kids and older adults are at risk for developing tumors in brain. Family history is also another factor for brain tumors, and primary tumors are the result of changes in cells' DNA, which can damage healthy cells and unhealthy cells grow rapidly. Thus, the mass of abnormal cells forms called tumors. People who were exposed to radiation, especially ionizing radiation, which is used in treatment of cancer, are at greater risk for developing tumors in brain. In 2020, an estimated of 1 million people were diagnosed with cancer worldwide, in which 24,530 were diagnosed with brain tumors, out of which 13,840 were men and 10,690 were women. Now let's discuss about the treatments for brain tumors. Treatment of brain tumor depend upon the location, size and type of the tumor and on individual overall health. Surgery is recommended if the size is small and easy to separate. Radiation therapies are used when tumor can't be removed through surgery and it focuses on the area where the tumor is located. These use proton beams and is allowed doctors to control radiation more precisely. Chemotherapies can also be used, which uses drugs to kill tumor cells, which are given orally and also in form of injections. Rehabilitation is necessary after successful treatment, in which physical therapy is given to regain lost muscle strength and motor skills. Speech therapy to help the individual to deal effectively with speech difficulty. And occupational therapy is also given. The aim is to help the person to get back to the normal day-to-day activities and to work. So this was our today's video. Hope you have liked this video too. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Up till next video, take care.